Are you looking for the best drywall banjos in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best drywall banjos that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Marshalltown TapeShooter Drywall Taper. The Marshalltown TapeShooter is the perfect tool for the amateur user to save time and get a better result. One buyer wrote, "I am a journeyman drywall finisher. Aside from using a bazooka speed taper, this banjo is the most versatile taping tool you can buy." Another customer commented, "This machine speeds up the job a lot compared to taping using a knife and mud pan. Thanks to the integrated blade, this choice can offer more efficiency." One of these reviews attested that it makes taping 3 times faster. The adjustable mud flow will offer superior precision and keep things smooth and clean. Although this is made of a nice aluminum material, it maintains a comfortable feel at only 232 pounds and with its Durasoft handle. Up next in the 4th place is the Ames Cobra Silver Banjo Drywall Taping Tool. Everything about the Ames Cobra Banjo Drywall Taping Tool screams good design and high-grade construction. Made with an aluminum body and a wooden handle, this tool will offer buyers lots of use before they ever need a replacement. One buyer confirmed, "I hit the bullseye with this banjo. I have been using it for 6 months now, no cons." Beyond the sort of materials it is made of, there is also an attention to detail when it comes to the construction. All of the edges are finished so users don't have to worry about cutting themselves on the metal. Aesthetically, this gives a complete and upscale look to the entire tool. The 3rd product on our list is the Delko Plastic Drywall Banjo Taper. Installing drywall and using finishing tools all day can be exhausting and can create lots of hand fatigue. However, the Delko Plastic Drywall Banjo Taper does offer a refreshing amount of comfort to the trade. With a plastic body and a smaller than average build, this product weighs only 176 pounds without any compound. Although it is made with plastic, reviews still found it to have a high durability. Based on a 2022 review, a customer wrote, "Bought this all the way back in 2017 and haven't had to replace it until now. It's absolutely great, especially for how cheap it is." Additionally, this offer comes stock with both a flat applicator and an inside corner applicator wheel for more versatility. Second on our list is the Wal-Board Quick Load Drywall Taper. According to the information from many reviews, buyers that choose the Wal-Board Quick Load Drywall Taper are very impressed with their orders. One customer wrote, "I've tried every kind of banjo there is. In my experience, all the rest were poor designs. I use this to make a living every day." They went on to say that this did offer a smooth operation and a solid design. Thanks to the adjustable compound flow and cutoff blade, every user is able to get easy, quick, and professional level installations. One buyer confirmed that it was a real time saver. The aluminum body also won't rust through each year. Another user found that the construction of the tool is top-notch stainless, very well put together, doesn't leak mud anywhere, and cleans up easily. Finally, the top product on our list is the Craft DC401 Drywall Taper. Although these products are a great offer compared to industrial-grade tools, they still are a bit of an investment. So when looking at which ones to add to the cart, it is important to get one that won't just fall apart at a later date. That is why the excellent quality, as one buyer calls it, of the Craft Drywall Taper is worth a little extra. The aluminum on these tools ensure that they will be able to resist any rust over time. Additionally, the wooden handle will be able to hold up much better than any plastic or rubber one. This product does still offer comfortability with its web side handle, and it being only 291 pounds. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.